Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Ticwell Whale W1. In the box, you'll get a user manual, cleaning brush, handle body, charging adapter, charging stand, roller brush, removable battery, and the machine body. The Ticwell Whale W1 is a cordless wet-dry vacuum. The cleaner is able to pick up debris on carpet or bare floors like a regular vacuum, but its main use is for washing hard floors. No matter you want to do light mopping jobs or to get rid of big spills. Insert the end of the handle into the port of the machine body perpendicular to the direction of the machine. After hearing a click, ensure that the handle is tight and not loose, that is, the installation is successful. Push the machine body cover up and put the battery pack into the battery pack slot. When you hear the crisp click sound of the channel, it indicates that it is assembled in place and then the body cover is closed. After installing the handle and battery pack on the machine body, align the whole machine with the charging base, insert the charger port into the charging base, insert the charger plug into the AC outlet, the working indicator lights up in red to indicate normal charging. To remove the water tank or sewage tank, press the water tank release button, open the tank cap, fill the tank with tap water to max line. When need deep cleaning, add 1 bottle cap of solution to the water, then close the cap tightly. Press the on-off button to start working with the hand. The mode is low gear by default after booting. After pressing the speed button, you can switch between high and low gear at this time. The vacuum is good at cleaning tough stains comparing to other wet mopping vacuums. It does need a few attempts to get rid of stains, but in the end, it removes all the stains. The Ticwell Whale W1 cleans better and tends to get less messy than other mopping cleaners. It does have a more efficient cleaning roller, can do both, vacuuming and mopping, and does not struggle with bigger debris. Press the dirty water tank release button to remove it from the unit. Pour dirty water and debris out. Before the self-cleaning, place the machine on the tray, and keep at least half of the water in the water tank. Press and hold the speed button for 3 seconds and enter the self-cleaning mode after the indicator light flashes for 3 seconds. After the self-cleaning ends, the machine will automatically shut down, which is a self-cleaning cycle. The Ticwell Whale W1 is perfect for everyday use light mopping, as well as getting rid of big nasty spills. If you are looking for something budget that can do both, light vacuuming and mopping, have a look at the Ticwell Whale W1 that might be one of the best for the price.